As the potato queen, I have made hundreds of potato recipes, and this is my top 20 countdown. And in at number 13, unlucky for some, is the potato rosti. It's a delicious, buttery, grated potato pan feb, which is the potato book. So we're going to start off by making clarified butter. I get a whole block of butter, put it in the microwave in a microwave safe tray, skim the top, and then I put it in the fridge to set, and all the milk solids that we don't want will set at the bottom of the pan, and you can just drain them out. In the meantime, you then peel and grate your potatoes, squeeze them through a clean tea towel or muslin cloth, whatever you've got, until you get all the liquid out. And then you are going to, see, that's potato starch that comes out of it. Season them up really nicely, and then you're going to add about 60 to 70 grams of clarified butter. Well, you can also use ghee, which you can get from the shop, which is already made clarified butter. Then you get them into a non-stick pan, preferably. Just flatten it out. It doesn't need to be completely perfect. You want the steam to be able to go through the pan already, and then you flip it over, do the other side, and then you have a lovely... Welcome to another episode of
Meals Actually.
Today, for episode 2, we have my giant summer roll.
It's basically the size of my head. It's huge.
I sacrificed my voice for this, so you know it's good.
The sauce makes all the difference.
You guys, my last 2 giant summer roll videos blew up with over 60 million views, which is insane, first of all, but I think I know why. We're just lazy, that's all. And you know what? I respect that. Who's rolling 5 tiny ones, one and be done? Not me. Like, work smarter, not harder, right? Anyways, the last time I made it, everyone complained about it not being high in protein, which is valid. So this time I added my tofu tenders, which basically means it's a complete meal. And remember, it only takes 15 minutes to... Welcome to another episode of
Meals Actually.
Hello, it's the Potato Queen here, back and reporting for potato duties in the top 20 of my favourite potato recipes. And in 15-hour potato, garlicky, delicious, crispy, golden 15-hour potato. Oh, honestly, should it be higher? Coming out at the end of Feb. Anyway, so you're going to roast a whole bulb of garlic off, cut the top off, get some oil, get some salt, get it in foil, get it into the oven until it's gooey, goopy, delicious, sweet, caramelised, and can be really like smushed into a paste. Then, standard for your 15-hour potato, we have got very, very thin slices of Maris Piper potatoes with your, not confit garlic, what's it called? Roasted garlic, smush into it, and some duck fat. Then you get that into the oven at 120 degrees for about 3 hours or so. Then you put it in the fridge with loads of tins on top to weigh it down, and then you deep fry it at 100 degrees. And you get these gorgeous, golden, crispy nuggets.